Amazon Car Finds, it just slapped. This is my portable air compressor that lets you easily inflate tires on cars, bikes, motorcycles, plus all other types of inflatables. The digital display shows you the actual pressure level so you can adjust it as needed to ensure your tires are always properly inflated, and you can easily switch between different inflation modes. I love that it's rechargeable, has a built-in emergency light, and you can even use it as a power bank to charge up your phone, making this a versatile gadget to keep in your car. Random Amazon finds I recently bought. This is a 3-headed brush that suctions to your sink so you can automatically clean the inside and outside of all sorts of cups, mugs, wine glasses, and even goblets at the same time, and makes cleaning so much funner.
No, because this right here, this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed.
I'm addicted to this, not in a literal medical sense, but I don't think I could live without it. It's very convenient.